Assalamualaikum. Today in the Wazwan series I am going to show you how Marchewangun Korma or Mirchi Korma is made. Marchewangun means chilies in Kashmiri. This korma is quite different from all other kormas. This korma is quite hot in taste, so the name Mirchi Korma or Marchewangun Korma. And this video has been shot with the help of Kashmiri chefs or wazas. Kashmiri Wazwan is slow cooked on simmering flames of wood. So let's get started. First thing is all the meat is boiled for some time and they remove the scum from this. By all the meat I mean they have taken almost all the meat for all the varieties that they are going to make, because for Wazwan big vessels are used to cook. So here you can see it's on flame. They will let it boil for some time and remove the scum from it, and then they will take it off the flame and let it cool down. And then they segregate the meat into different vessels for cooking. In a Wazwan all the varieties are cooked from particular cut, from particular body part of the lamb. So here for Mirchi Korma they have taken these small pieces of lamb. Meanwhile the mutton stock was also cool, so they will strain it. They will strain all the mutton stock and then they can use it in all the dishes later. Before moving to recipe, I'll show you how the Kashmiri chefs or wazas make oil and chili mix that they use later for color and flavor. So in almost 1 liter of oil, they will add ginger garlic paste. So here you can see it's on the flame. They will fry it properly. Then they will take it off the flame. And then they will add chilies. So for almost 1 liter of oil they have added 250 grams of chilies, and then they will add almost a glass of water, and then they will put it back on the flame. So here you can see the color, how strikingly red color it has. This will give the color to all the gravies. And then they add cloves, cinnamon stick and green cardamoms and let it cook for some time. So here you can see how gorgeous red color it has. So they will cook it for some time and then keep it off the flame. And it will be used in all the gravies except milk based. Now in a vessel they have taken the meat for Mirchi Korma and added fennel seed powder, few green cardamoms, cumin seeds and cloves. Here you can see. And then they will be adding cinnamon stick. Then they have added mutton stock that I already showed you, the mutton stock they have prepared. And then they will be adding chili and water mixture. They will be adding big 3 ladles of this. Here you can see they have mixed dry chilies in water, and this is Mirchi Korma, so it needs more chilies. And then they will be adding 2 teaspoons of chili powder to it. And they have added some more stock to it because it's yet to get cooked. And now it will be kept on flame and cooked till it's tender. And once they have kept it on flame for a while, they'll be adding oil. Here you can see the amount of oil. While it has been getting cooked on flame, Kashmiri Wazwan is cooked like this on flame of woods. Then they'll be adding some turmeric powder to it and salt. This is a paste of Kashmiri shallots or prawn. First they are fried and then blended to a paste. And now they will be adding this prawn or shallot paste to all the gravies. Here you can see they have added to Marchewangun or Mirchi Korma too. And they will let it cook till it's tender. Kashmiri Mirchi Korma has very less gravy. All the Wazwan dishes are slow cooked in copper vessels or simmering fire of wood. Now they have taken a good amount of saffron and soaked in lukewarm water, and they will add this water to oil mixture, oil and chili mixture. Here you can see. And then they will be using it on all dishes, sprinkle on all dishes. It will give a good color and flavor to the dish. And now they have taken the Mirchi Korma or Marchewangun Korma off the flame. Here you can see. And they are adding this chili and oil mixture to it, and it will give a very good color. They are adding little extra to it. And before serving they add little amount of ghee. Here you can see And now it's ready to be served, and we have dished it out in a bowl. While speaking to the Wazas, they mentioned that even tamarind is used in Kashmiri Mirchi Korma, but it depends because everyone has their own recipe. So they didn't add any tamarind as I have shown you in the video. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.